In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use two effects in Murder Mystery 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you what items you need to do dual effect wielding in Murder Mystery 2 and how to set it up. So, the very first thing that you will need to use two effects in Murder Mystery 2 are going to be the dual wield effect knives. So open the shop, and if you don't have it already, go into effects and you will be able to find it here. So you can purchase it for 900 gems. This is the first thing that you will need to use two different effects. If you only want to use a single effect, then this will already solve your issues. All that you have to do is go here, purchase it, and then you will be dual wielding. As the name suggests, it allows you to use two weapons at once, so double the effect. Now, if you want to use two different effects, so one on the left hand and another one on the right hand, then all that you have to do is purchase dual wield and then any other effect. So for example, you purchase the blue flaming knife as well. So you go into your inventory, you equip the blue flaming knife and dual wield, and all that you have to do is when you get inside of a game, when it starts like this, you just go back into your inventory, choose effects, and then you choose another one. So for example, if you had the blue flaming knife equipped, plus dual wield, when you get inside of a game, you just equip the pink one instead. When you switch effects inside of the game, the first one will remain on one hand, and the new effect that you chose will appear on the other one. So essentially, you will have two different effects while playing. So all that you have to do is equip the first effect plus dual wield, and when you get inside of the game itself, you just equip the second one. So you literally open your inventory and you switch to it here. You can repeat this as many times as you wish, and it should work for any effect available in Murder Mystery 2. I hope I was able to help you on how to use two effects in MM2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.